2019 Yamaha Tracer 900 GT Review. The 2019 Yamaha Tracer 900 GT is the latest sport touring motorcycle to join the tuning fork brand's burgeoning lineup. Based on the Yamaha FJ09, it replaces the 2019 Tracer 900 GT, and its brother, the 2019 Yamaha Tracer 900, boasts a healthy serving of new features that make for a significant evolutionary step in Yamaha's sport touring lineup. Meant to tackle the all that life can throw at a rider, the 2019 Yamaha Tracer 900 GT builds on what we enjoyed with the FJ09. It adds a new level of refinement to its fit and finish, as well as its creature comforts, not to mention several performance updates. We spent time exploring the back roads and majestic tree lines of Washington State to become familiar with the 2019 Yamaha Tracer 900 GT to deliver you these essential fast facts. The stellar 847 cubic centimeters CP3 engine returns, and we're glad it did. At the 2019 Yamaha Tracer 900 GT's heart sits a brilliant inline 3 derived from the MT-09, with engine maps to fit its touring focus. Cracking the throttle of the GT is blissful at worst, and magnificent at best. At lower speeds, the triple remains entirely amicable, making it a great compatriot when commuting or plodding along the highway. In the canyons, you'll be taking advantage of the impressive low-end and mid-range power, virtually catapulting your way out of the apex and putting an emphasis on the sport in sport. You'll make short work of the 6-speed gearbox with a quick shifter. The Tracer 900 GT has been imbued with a quick shifter, an option on the standard Tracer, and with the cross-plane concept motor's torque on tap, it's an excellent addition to have when grabbing the next gear out of a corner. 3 riding modes are available, thanks to ride-by-wire throttle. Adjustable on the fly, riders can flip through A, Standard, and B. The A mode offers the most direct or aggressive throttle response that edges towards sport bike tendencies, with Standard taking a happy middle ground. Mode B has a more relaxed response. I appreciated A mode when riding at a brisk pace. However, for everything else, B was my go-to engine map. Cruise control is essential for touring, and the GT is equipped appropriately. Easily set on the left-hand control, you can increase or reduce your rate by 1.5 miles per hour on a whim. The standard Tracer does without cruise control. 2-level traction control is standard. Settings can be adjusted on the fly, and it can also be disabled. New suspension holds up the 2019 Yamaha Tracer 900 GT. A gold, fully adjustable KYB fork works in harmony with a KYB shock that offers rebound damping adjustment, along with the ability to set spring preload remotely. The standard Tracer gets a lower spec suspension. Out on the road, the GT handles impeccably, peeling into corners gently, and even better, remains confident through the turn. Yamaha has leaned towards a more supple approach regarding suspension spring stiffness. It's a reminder that this fits in the sport touring category, not merely sport. When met with dips mid-corner, the commendable damping soaks them up well. Still, seriously rough tarmac gives its componentry a bit of pause.